Hello people, welcome back. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. Today's recipe is spaghetti with clams. You want to see how I shape this? Come. Let's do this together. Watch every bit of this video so you see the result and the outcome. I have hot water. I added the clams. I will sprinkle some salt in. Why I'm doing this is to get rid of every sand that is inside. I added olive oil to my pan. Yeah, I will remove the clams. So I'll sieve it. Yeah, hot water. I will add in salt. Added spaghetti. I added in some onion. I gave it a quick stir. I sprinkled salt. Gave it a quick stir. I added in my bell peppers. I gave it a quick stir. And now I'll be adding in my tomato. And I'll also give it a good stir. All my returning subscribers, thank you for always returning. May the good Lord bless you all. So I added in my gorget. I gave it a good stir. I sprinkled more salt. I added ginger powder, onion powder, garlic powder, rosemary, black pepper, Salvio herb, oregano, powdered onion. So I'll give it a quick stir. If you are new to the channel, you want each recipe, cooking videos, lifestyle, make sure you subscribe and follow us for more amazing videos. So I added in the already pre-cooked clams and I will mix it thoroughly. I added in some black pepper. Black pepper does wonders in spaghetti, and I added in some powdered pepper too. So now give it another good stir. I hope you try this recipe, guys. It came out so delicious. So I came in to check on my spaghetti. I just press it down and I stir together so it doesn't stick together. So once it is cooked, I'm going to sieve it. So what I did, I changed the sauce from the pan and I added it. Sorry, I didn't notice that my camera was not well positioned. So what I did, I added the spag and I added some of the mixture of the clams sauce. So what I am doing now, I'm trying to incorporate them together. Guys, look at that. Look at that recipe. So I added just a slime of water of the pasta to the already mixture of this. Guys, this recipe came out so delicious. Feel free to subscribe, follow us for more amazing video. Look at that, guys. It came out so tasty, delicious. Enjoy. See you in my next one. Bye.